Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and today we are going to discuss 450 from Justic as overpayment. We shall check 450. This is 450 and we shall record this one. No recording is here, and we shall click receive the money, and then we shall give these payments. Overpayment with the following detailed description would be this one. Here we shall select the overpayment, and here it would be changed, and it is 450 account receivable, tax exempt. It automatically pop up. No need to change anything else, and save the transaction here. And now we shall reconcile this one.